The 2015 GMC Savana 2500. A 4.8-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing GMC's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.